Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the control panel of your Thermomix TM31. In this video, we will guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and successful replacement. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, unplug the Thermomix TM31 from the power source to ensure your safety while working. Once it's unplugged, place the machine on a stable, flat surface. Carefully turn the Thermomix upside down. You will see several screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew these. Keep the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Now, gently lift the base of the Thermomix. You may notice some resistance, don't force it. Instead, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry the base away from the upper part. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or wires. Once the base is removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Locate the cables connected to the control panel. It's crucial to remember the arrangement of these cables for reassembly. Use your tweezers to carefully disconnect these cables from the panel. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Next, you'll see the control panel secured with additional screws. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. After unscrewing, gently lift the control panel out from its housing. Make sure to check for any dust or debris inside. This is a good time to clean the internal area with a soft brush or compressed air. Now it's time to install the new control panel. Position it in the housing and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the cables carefully, ensuring they are connected in the same configuration as before. If you don't have the tools required for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get help. Once everything is connected, carefully reattach the base of the Thermomix. Ensure all clips are aligned, and then start screwing it back together. After securing the screws, double-check that everything is tight and properly fitted. Finally, plug the Thermomix TM31 back into the power source. Turn it on to test the new control panel functionality. If everything works as expected, congratulations on a job well done. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a quote before repair. We're here to help with no calls and no travel necessary. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.